So, hello everyone, I'm Sagnik and you're watching Cyber Sagnik Tricks YouTube channel. So, today this is my first video. So, today I will show you that TERMUX basic commands for cybersecurity. If you interested on cybersecurity videos and TERMUX videos or terminal or any CMD process videos, then watch till end, you will able to understand. So this video is not for any illegal, this video is only for educational purpose only. This video is the basic commands of the termux. So watch till end, you will understand. Okay, so before watching this video, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest notification. Okay, so without time waste, let's start the video. So first of all, when you start using termux, there are many types of commands which you have to learn. Okay, so many videos you will see. Okay, so they are maximum fake videos, but in this video is real video of in 2025. Okay, so let's start. First of all, when you open the termux, there are some commands like update, ls, cd. You have to maintain everything. Okay, suppose one command is pkg update. When you type pkg update it like this, then you have to type the enter. Okay, then it could take a time. Okay, so sometimes it's server error. Okay, or some process problem also there are one step. Okay, you have to follow this basic step. I'm showing the basic step. Okay, so let me skip this part. So look, it's finished. Then after that you have to click pkg upgrade. Okay, then same process, it could take a time. Okay, I already installed it, I just showing you. Okay, so it could in this ways it's only 692 kb. You have to type where you type this means do you want to continue, you have to type y and enter. Okay, so look, already fully installed. After that the next command is like apt update, same actually but it's different. Okay, apt update, then it could also take a time. Okay, it will work, already package is up to date, then it's just for optional. Okay, then after that apt upgrade. Okay, apt upgrade. Okay, after this what you have to do, you have, this 4 package is the important thing for package management. Okay, so the next command, if you want to install any outside files, then you have to go to github or you have to search this something like this, like face, not here, you have to go to chrome and search like I'm showing the face fusion github. Okay, like this. So after that when you click the link of the github link of the top, then you have to copy. Okay, you have to copy and paste here. For before paste you have to do git clone and paste the link. Okay, for installing any outside commands. Okay, cd for copy or cloning files. Okay, ls for list files. Okay, list list files there. Okay, I hope you understand. Then after that, if you want to use the storage of the termux, you have to type termux setup storage. Okay, termux setup storage. When you type it, there will the two options will come, allow and not allowed. You have to allow it. Okay, like I click here, then I'm showing you here one by one. You have to click here and allow it. So look, it's already now storage granted by request on user. It's finished. Okay, so by this way you can use the termux. Okay, so in last, if you want to stop or clear, okay, clear everything, then you have to type clear. Okay, then after typing clear, look, it's all everything clear. Okay, then after that clear, if you want to get out of the termux, you have to type simple exit. Okay, like I'm clicking exit, look, it's already exit. Okay, by this way you can use termux. Okay, the basic tutorial I showed you in 2025 latest. Okay, if you like this video, then please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video as much as possible. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.